Hello and welcome to AmaliTech. My name is Mireille Ucheye, IT Operations and Security Analyst at AmaliTech, and today I'll be showing you around our office in Kigali, Rwanda, a country of 1,000 hills. Come on in. This is a reception area where you'll be warmly welcomed by receptionists. It's a bright and inviting space. Here's our service center, the heart of our software development operations. Welcome to our training center, where we ensure continuous learning and up-to-date tech and software training. We have our meeting room. This meeting room is perfect for team meetings, brainstorming sessions, or private discussions. Now let's head up to the second floor. Here we have our operations offices, including HR, accountant's office, and IT office. These spaces are designed to support our team's day-to-day activities and ensure everything runs smoothly. On this floor, we also have phone booths. These are perfect for team members who need a quiet space for calls or virtual meetings without any distraction. Welcome to our favorite spot, the rooftop. This area serves as a dining space and a kitchen, where team members can enjoy meals and take a break from work. The rooftop also features a gaming space and an area for events and happy hours to balance work and play. That's it. This is our office. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour of AmaliTech. You are always welcome to AmaliTech.